To implement data structures in Python programming language, we need to install Python interpreter or Python software. Open Google Chrome and type Python download and select the link as download Python. Now here you will find download the latest version for Windows. This will be downloaded and saved in your downloads folder. We'll directly open it and try to install Python. Once the installation starts, make sure that you have add Python 3.7 to path checked, and then install. This will take a couple of minutes to install, and once the installation is successful, just say close. Now let us verify whether the Python has installed successfully. Just go to the Windows Start, and then here you will find recently added as Python idle, Python modules and Python manual. Just try to use idle. This is an integrated development environment for Python. If you observe, this is the IDE for the Python. Now let us just try to execute a statement. Print, let's say hello Python, and you can get the output of the print statement. With this, we make sure that the Python has been successfully installed. Obviously, we will not be using this idle integrated development environment for Python. In the next section, we will see how to download and install Pycharm, and we will be writing programs and working in Pycharm. But we need Python installation, or we need Python software or interpreter, so that Pycharm will work on this Python interpreter. Apart from Windows, you can also download and install Python for Linux systems as well as for Mac OS.